If your Ford F-250's Apple CarPlay is glitching or won't connect, you don't need a mechanic to fix it. Statistically, over 60% of CarPlay failures in modern trucks are caused by low-quality or damaged USB cables. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify why your sync screen is staying blank. The fastest fix is a soft reset by holding the power and C-cup buttons until the screen goes black. Make sure your iPhone settings actually allow CarPlay to run while the phone screen is locked. Pocket lint in your phone's charging port often prevents a solid data connection even if it still charges. Newer F-250s with Sync 4 offer wireless CarPlay, but a wired connection is still the most reliable troubleshooting step. Most users find success with a system reset or a new cable before ever needing a software update. If the hardware is fine, connect your truck to Wi-Fi and check for a sync firmware update. Keep a spare OEM cable in your center console to quickly swap out if the connection drops on the road. Remember, most CarPlay issues are just software handshaking errors that a quick restart will solve. Reset your system and check those cables to get your maps back on the big screen.